Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Roblox on your Mac. So basically the first step is to simply open any browser and search for Roblox, and then you're gonna have to click on the download link here, and then you're gonna get redirected to the download page. So simply click on download Mac app, and as you can see the download should start automatically, and then simply open this file here. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply double click on the Roblox player installer and then simply click on open. And now what you're gonna have to do next is simply wait until they configure the Roblox app, and then you can simply start using Roblox on your MacBook. So now we're gonna have to simply wait until this loads up, and basically we should be able to play Roblox. As you can see, the app is gonna open. As you can see, now we can simply log in into our Roblox account, and basically that's all you have to do in order to download Roblox on your Mac computer. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.